gonna add silicone to the, I know, so one's actually gonna be different. I'm gonna add it to the Winsor Newton Cadmium Yellow Medium hue. Whoops. It's nice and yellow. I find that yellow and purple work really well together. You'll see what I mean in a second. And I'm also going to add it to the Liquitex Basics Quinacridone Magenta. Also, I like how dark this color is for pink. It's pretty. Hopefully there's no chunks this time. That'd be nice. So these are the colors I'm going to add my silicone to. I am also going to be using Liquitex Basics Bright Aqua Green and Grumbacher in Dioxazine Purple. Sure. Also, Riotech Carbon Black and Artist Loft Titanium White. You'll see how those come into play in a little bit. 1. Really? 2, 3? Oh. I only wanted 2, gave me 3. It was 1 or 3 apparently. But I got 2 in this one, so this stick is all split. I didn't notice it till I was using it to mix. That's kind of annoying, but whatever. So, slide those off. Kind of like that. Stick those over there anyways. Move those out of the way. Just open them. So like I said, this is Liquitex Basics Bright Aqua Green, and this is Grumbacher in Dioxazine Purple. So I'll do purple for base color. Add my silicone yellow. Do it like that, because why not? Add more yellow next to that. Now I'll add this. And purple. I like mixing up my layers. And just for the fun of it, I'm going to add a little bit of black on top. And kind of through it like that. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Let's move all this stuff out of the way. Oh, I got paint in my ears. That looks neat. Alright, let's see what happens with this rainbow of color. I think it'll look cool, hopefully. I'm gonna use white as my base. So the Titanium Artist Loft. Titanium White Artist's Loft. There we go. Go brain. I'm sorry I'm so quiet. I'm just so rather focused. Nothing wrong with that, right? Do. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to like punch my tripod. So I went on a painting-thon today. And this is, well, quite the painting-thon to say the least. I don't know if I'll do another flip cup after this one. I probably will, but I'm running out of ideas for flip cups, so I think I'm probably gonna move on to dirty pours sooner than later. I don't know why I'm getting my edges. I don't need to. But this one. Wait. Have it? Okay. I'm gonna leave this one alone just to see what's gonna happen. So far it seems really different. Okay, bad time for my nose to get all stuffy too. Neat. Ooh, now I'm just flinging paint. Okay. Yeah, let's hold it first. I didn't know what to do. I didn't use red. Oh, that's the... Oh, okay. Cool. It's orange. This is so cool. Oh, I don't know what to do with it. I guess I'll dump some of that cluster off because it was a little much. Bring it back up. I guess I'll go to dump this corner now. This is the worst time ever. I have a cat hair in my eye. Worst time ever for one. Thanks. Thanks, cat hair. Ugh. Bring it back down. Wow. Pretty. Get that big purple glob off the bottom, probably. Partially, anyways. Bring it back. Did it actually? Oh wow! It actually. Oh no! There it is. There's one corner. This top half, like up though. Yeah. Cool. Oh. I'm gonna use my thumb. There. That looks better, in my opinion. I just needed that corner touch up. And peel these gloves off and see what cells decide to come up, because cells are fun. Okay, I think that's all that's gonna happen. Woo! I don't want to put it too close, you know. I'm trying to get the paint off my arm though. That'd be nice. Because I keep painting myself lately. Seems to be the highlight of my thing. Holy cells. This looks so cool! Yay! That is so pretty. I don't really have anything that's dry to show you. I'm sorry about that. But I will get you down for a close-up for this one because it's just so... Oh my goodness, wow. I must say, I really do love how this lacing throughout the bottom part here came out. It looks so nice, especially with the like white popping up through the purple and stuff. Let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments below. My favorite is totally the transition for it going lighter. Like this video if you like this video. Share with your friends to spread the love. Subscribe if you haven't already. I am still so blown away by this painting. And I will see you